Okay, here is a new Heil Performance central air conditioning unit. This unit replaced a 90s Lennox unit. And this unit, it was actually installed in April of 2021, I think. But I haven't made a video of it up until now, though. But yeah, currently not running. And that Rude was just running, it just turned off. This is from 2020, and it's a 3-ton, I think. And this unit has an LG scroll compressor. Has a Gentech motor, I think. But yeah, decided to make a video of this new unit. Looks a little bit dirty down there. But yeah, decided to make a quick video of this unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.